Design adds value to products by making tasks easier, improving visual attractiveness, and evoking emotions. Hello, I'm Elena, UX/UI designer with graphic and motion design skills. In this video, I'll share a bit about myself to help you determine if I'm the right fit for your project. First, let's talk about my hard skills. UX/UI design for web and mobile. I specialize in designing interfaces for websites, platforms, and applications. In UX design, I prioritize usability by placing the user in the center of my design process and considering many factors like context of usage or app's posture and more. To ensure that my designs are effective, I engage in dogfooding and conduct usability testing, both remote and in person when possible. For UI design, I focus on emotional engagement as well as conveying company's identity and messages. UX research. Whenever possible, I try to eliminate guesswork. If the project has resources, I can do competitive audit, secondary research, market research, user surveys, user interviews. And in cases with budget or time constraints, I rely on my experience and industry best practices. UI animation. I also design animations for interfaces. They can take a product or a website to a whole new level of usability and aesthetics. Sometimes they are even crucial to give users feedback for their actions or help them learn the interface. I have experience in UI animation and I know the do's and don'ts. Graphic design. Besides creating visuals for interfaces, I also have designed tons of ads, social media content, banners, presentations, and even artworks like posters. Motion design. My motion design skills extend beyond UI animation. If you need animated explainers, tutorials, promos, I can do those as well. And what about my soft skills? I am creative. I know, hard to believe, but for me, creativity is not only about appearance. It's not only about illustrations or colors or fonts. It's also important for problem solving, whether it's simplifying user tasks or structuring complex interfaces. I am empathic. And I, of course, prioritize users' needs over my personal preferences. I am collaborative. I apply design principles not only on mockups, but I also care that my teammates have a good experience navigating through my working files. Therefore, I pay attention to organization and accessibility. And the last but not least, I consider myself a lifelong learner. And I regularly read research papers, books, watch blogs, taking courses on a regular basis. So why should you hire me? As almost every designer, I love being creative, but I also understand that clients hire me to solve their problems, not to fulfill my personal ambitions. So my focus is on delivering a solution that's gonna meet your needs. So drop me a line and let's meet.